Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am iamadorelyric. Thank you so much for coming back by and kicking with me for another day of vlogmas. Today is Tristan's birthday, so I am about to bake her some cupcakes. I will be showing us going out later, but that'll be a separate vlog. So since she asked for some strawberry cupcakes, I wanted to just film me baking so you guys could bake with me for a little bit. It'll probably be a pretty short video. I typically don't really cook or bake or do anything like that, but I definitely know how, kinda. It'd be super simple. She's just getting some strawberry cake with cream cheese icing. So we're gonna go to dinner later, but we'll have this for when we come back. So yeah, so you guys are ready to get baking with me. If you are, stay tuned for the rest of this video, and also don't forget to subscribe so you guys can see the rest of the vlogmas. We're vlogging all month until either my birthday or until Christmas. My glasses are dirty, hopefully you guys can't tell, and I need to raise up my camera so you guys can see my full body. And while I'm like making and preparing everything, so I have all of the ingredients here, so I'm just going to go ahead and get things started, that way that I can have the cupcakes done and cooling by the time we get ready to go to dinner, and then by the time we come back we can have them ready for dessert. Okay, stay tuned. We're gonna use Pillsbury cake mix. They didn't have Betty Crocker and strawberry. We have the little cups to put the cupcakes in. We have some butter. We have some pudding mix, some eggs, and the icing. We're gonna use just this bowl here as a mixing bowl. I've already washed my hands, and now I'm just about to pretty much follow the box from start to finish, and hopefully we have a successful baking day. Okay. Set oven to 350, coat bottom of the pan, beat. It says to beat this for 2 minutes in our bowl once we have everything with a mixer, but we don't have a mixer, so we're gonna have to use a spoon. Okay, I gotta put in 3 eggs. Oh, these look nice. All right, got our 3 eggs. Now we need a cup of water. Told me to use butter instead of she told me to use butter instead of oil, so she told me to melt enough butter to what I need for the oil. So it says half a cup of oil, so I wonder if I should do like a half a stick. I don't know. Or maybe they'll tell me on the, yeah, it does. Okay, so it says 1/4 cup equals 4 tablespoons, half a cup equals 8 tablespoons. So we need to put this whole thing in the microwave. So we're gonna put all of this in the microwave because it says that one full stick equals a half a cup of oil. So she told me to melt this much. All right, so we're melting the oil. We have half a cup of butter right here. I'm just gonna pour it in here. Easy enough. This is what the mixture looks like now before I go ahead and beat it up. But before I do that, it does say to go ahead and set the oven to 350, so I'm about to do that real quick. I don't know if this is one of those things where it's like you should set it to what you think, I don't know, I'm gonna put a timer on for 30 minutes, even though I know that's probably too long. Instructions, it says set oven, coat the bottom of the pan. I don't need to do that because I'm doing cupcakes. Beat the cake mix on medium speed for 2 minutes. Pour batter into pans. Bake at 350 and follow bake items below. All right, so now I have all of the mixtures in here. Oh wait, I forgot the signature. This is the last one. Honestly, I'm a little nervous about this, but we're gonna try and thug it out. Now, oh, it smells so good. Oh, now I should make a thumbnail real quick. Yo, let me try and hurry up and make a thumbnail without spilling anything more. And now we just mix, and hopefully it's simple. I am tired. Alright, y'all, I think we're done. This is a kind of final look. So I think this consistency, as you can't really see the like cake batter at all. So we're gonna go with it. It looks super thick though, but it looks moist, which is important. All right, so whew. So now you guys, oh man, what is that? Cake mix. Okay, so now guys, what's next is we're gonna put each into one of these little cupcake things, and we're gonna put them on a cookie sheet, put them in the oven. Remember, the oven is already preheated. I'm not gonna put anything on these because I don't think I need to, as far as like oil or anything. Hopefully I'm not wrong about that, but yeah, it was super quick to do. So now just let me find a cookie sheet. All right, y'all, so the cupcakes are done. We are gonna let them cool, and then we'll put the icing on them.
The same date.
Cupcakes are out. We're ready to put the icing on them. So the cupcakes are done. We are finally done. Here they are. They look so nice. Some of them are bigger than others. I probably could have made more than just, how much should I make? 4, 8, 12, 15. I made 17, and I used all of the cake mix, and they look really good. Honestly, I think they could be, if they were evenly proportioned, they might be a little bit better, a little bit more presentable. But I bet you they taste like fire when you eat them. I tried to do like the spoon trick on top just to kind of make it like a swirl so that it wasn't just like plain. So here they are, and Tristan is gonna love them, and she better say thank you. But yeah, so we are done, y'all. Hope that y'all have fun baking with me. If y'all want to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below and let me know. I want to start cooking more and even maybe baking more, but honestly it takes a lot out of me to do something like this. Like when I was mixing it, it was just, I'm just not used to doing it, so I'm just lazy or something. But anyway, hope that you guys all love. I'll insert some clips later of Tristan eating them because we're about to go to dinner. So if she has any feedback, I'll record it and let y'all know and insert it. But yeah, definitely let me know if you want some cupcakes. Got you, girl or boy. Don't want to be sexist. All right, so I'll talk to y'all later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. All right, y'all, we're about to do a taste test real quick. Taste test, because my mom tried to say the bottom wasn't good.
I said it was brown.
All right, y'all ready?
Trash! She looking at it, honey.
This is good.
What? Well, I got.
Somebody gonna turn this light on.
I know what you're talking about this part, Mom.
Wait
Wait for what?
Tristan.
This cupcake is good. And I'm not just saying it because I made it.
Yeah.
I'm not, I'm for real. Yeah, y'all. Chef kiss. I devour in 5 seconds. Let me know if y'all want me to bake for y'all. I got you.